Seeking sister wife. Did watching sister wives motivate Danielle Merrifield to seek a sister wife? And is Robyn selfish, or does she really care about Mary, Janelle and Christine? I will explain everything. Watch this video until end. Hi lovely viewers. Welcome to my update gossip channel. Seeking sister wife star Danielle Merrifield is adamant her relationship with her husband, Garrick Merrifield, will not end up like Kody Brown from Sister Wives. Since its third season, Garrick and his wife, Danielle, have been part of the Seeking Sister Wife family trying to find someone who can spice up their marriage. Luckily, the couple met Roberta Paqui, a Brazilian woman who could not communicate with them effectively, and later broke up with them before meeting Natalia Lima in Seeking Sister Wife Season 5. Like Roberta, Natalia is Brazilian, and the couple often communicates with her via language apps. The Merrifields' quest to find a sister wife is still as strong as before, with the couple going through challenging times with Natalia still trying to make it work. Danielle seems to dislike her husband's polygamous tendencies, even though she claims she's fine with it, and has often admitted to being jealous. With Danielle admitting to watching Sister Wives, it seems like her mind was programmed into that lifestyle before meeting Garrick, refuting claims polygamy was only Garrick's idea. Sister Wives debuted in 2010, and Kody was leading a polyamorous relationship with his three wives, Mary, Janelle, and Christine Brown. At the time, Kody was pursuing a new relationship with Robyn Brown, who became his fourth wife. Danielle said she has been a fan of Sister Wives since she was in high school, following the Brown journey from season 1. When asked if she thought her relationship with Garrick was similar to Kody and his wives, Danielle stated there were differences in their unions. Danielle was answering Q&A questions from the fans on her Instagram page and said that using Kody relationship to determine how all polyamorous relationships would wind up was a moot point. Danielle was quick to note that just because some monogamous couples end up divorced, that doesn't mean marriage is a scam. The mom of three said she had nothing against the Brown family, stating the bond Kody created with his wives was incredible. I feel like Kody and his wives had a great thing for a long time. I watched that show for a long time. I think I started watching it when I was a senior in high school. I think they had a lot of problems. It's a lot of work, relationships are hard. A lot of fans have questioned whether Danielle was fine with polygamy or if Garrick is forcing her into it. Many feel Danielle is trapped by her husband, who seems obsessed with fulfilling his role of getting 5 wives. Garrick alleged that God told him on the mountain that he would send another rose into their family. In Seeking Sister Wife Season 5, the Merrifields' new rose was Natalia, who appears to have left the family and moved on with her life. During that session, a fan asked Danielle if there were any similarities between her union with Garrick and what Kody and his 4 wives had. The Seeking Sister Wife star noted that her relationship was nothing close to what the Sister Wives family had. She rejected the comparison between her drama-filled situation with Garrick and the Brown family, adding that Kody marriage failure didn't mean all polyamorous relationships were doomed. I feel like in any relationship, there are struggles, there are trials, there are things you have to work through. And some relationships work, and some don't. However, the unions are alike since Kody and Garrick have similar personalities. Both patriarchs linked their polygamous tendencies to religion, although Garrick seems to overuse the religious aspect too much. As Garrick is searching for his next potential sister wife to join the family, Kody is now divorced from Mary, Janelle, and Christine. He remains married to his 4th wife, Robyn. Nonetheless, Garrick and Danielle marriage sounds similar to Kody's spiritual marriage with his wives. At the moment, Danielle is legally divorced from Garrick but remains in a spiritual relationship with him. In the same Q&A, the Seeking Sister Wife fans wanted to know if she and Garrick plan on having more kids. Daniel confirmed they welcomed a new child in May 2023, and although the couple was excited about their new addition, it was clear they didn't want more. She, however, added that Garrick could have children with other potential sister wives. The shop is closed. If Garrick has more children, it will be with one of his other wives. In Seeking Sister Wife Season 5, Garrick is pursuing a relationship with Natalia, whose wedding plans were cancelled after the judge refused their marriage proposal. When the trio reunited in person in Brazil, Daniel revealed to Garrick and Natalia that she was pregnant. However, Natalia seemed disappointed and shocked by the news. Later, Daniel told the cameras he felt Natalia thought she got pregnant on purpose to keep Garrick around. On the other hand, Garrick was surprised by the pregnancy announcement, and fans got to know why the news might not solve their marital problems. On Seeking Sister Wife Season 5, Episode 10, it was revealed that Garrick and Natalia were trying to get pregnant, while he and Daniel pregnancy was a total accident via TLC. Garrick will continue to look for at least 5 wives no matter what. Despite multiple warnings from Seeking Sister Wife fans to Daniel urging her to leave Garrick, she seems fine with their arrangement. Garrick is still obsessed with foreign, non-English speaking women from South America, so he may continue to look for his next wife there. He revealed he didn't mind having one wife but said he had a dream where he had 4 wives, and they were all loving and close friends. Garrick also said there was no jealousy among his wives in his dream and talked about bringing a 5th younger wife into the equation. Garrick will keep looking for a sister wife until he gets one. There is no stopping him from making his dream come true. Sister Wives star Robin Brown is portrayed as a cross between King Henry VIII's other woman, Anne Boleyn, and Cruella de Vil. But she always made a show of caring about the other wives. For years, fans haven't believed her. Her simpering niceness seems more fox than real, and she has often come off as a backstabber. She was more than willing to push Cody towards monogamy, while crying an ocean of crocodile tears. In Sister Wives, Season 18, Robin moved closer to what always seemed to be her endgame, getting Cody all to herself. It could be argued that he no prize. Cody can be infuriating, thanks to a fragile ego, outmoded ideas about the patriarchy, and feuds with his nearest and dearest. Since Robin is so passive-aggressive, Cody may be her ideal match. She can control him almost effortlessly, just batting her eyelashes, squeezing out the aforementioned teardrops, or making a seemingly innocuous, but subtly mocking, remark about another wife is all that it takes. Robin knows that she can't post online without getting attacked. Everyone understands this. However, now is the time to add an Instagram post honoring Garrison and Janelle. Hiding behind Cody isn't the best way to proceed. At the moment, Cody and Robin are being ripped apart online. Some fans strongly imply that Garrison death is their fault. This is very cruel. And Robin should address the shade, share her remembrances of Garrison, see some of his sweetest moments in the clip above, and then turn off the comments. By doing nothing, it seems like she doesn't care about Janelle Payne, even though that might not be true. Robin modus operandi is covert hostility. She doesn't shoot from the hip. Robin is all about avoiding direct confrontation to keep her hands clean. She has other ways of getting results. What she does behind the scenes always fascinates Sister Wives fans. They seem to picture Robin in the home she shares with Cody, telling him without really telling him exactly how their life should be. Is Robin the iron fist in the velvet glove? Yes. She does get her way. No dictator or Disney villain could be more successful, despite campier, more outright misdeeds. If Robin cares about Janelle, she should say it. With comments disabled, she could express herself without fear. Sure, she'd get ripped apart on other forums, but some fans might respect her for being brave enough to speak out. Right now, the silence is hard to understand. With Christine Brown, there was always tension. Robyn made Christine feel so jealous. The green-eyed monster was riding inside of Christine and pushing her towards some nasty conduct. Christine in a better place now. But once upon a time, she fled the room when she found out how Cody had been favoring Robyn. Usurped by a younger wife, Christine felt used, bitter and sad. It was so hard for her to control her emotions. Whether Cody was helping Robyn to pick out a wedding dress or sneaking off to kiss Robyn while Christine was in labor, the insults were intense. Robyn never really befriended Christine. But that's not Robyn's fault. Christine wasn't interested in being friends, and didn't trust her rival. From Vegas to Flagstaff to the wilds of Coyote Pass, the sister-wives' tension roiled. Robyn and Christine were at odds, so it's unlikely that Robyn cares about her now. As per People, Christine's new husband, David Woolley, called Cody out. So there is no ball chance in hell that Cody, Robyn, Christine and David will hang out. There won't be friendly barbecues or dinner parties or anything like that. When it comes to Christine and Robyn, the earth is fully scorched. So, what about Meri Brown? There's something about Meri. She milder, more respectful. Perhaps more gullible. Of all of them, Robyn may care the most about Meri, who actually wanted to be her friend. However, once again, Robyn is radio silent as Meri embarks on a new career as an online platform owner. For decades, Robyn played at being the loyal sister wife. She was the one who cried when things weren't working. Now, having unmasked as a monogamy fan, she is distancing herself from the women she professed to love. Quite possibly, she never loved them at all. If she does care, she should show her love. The family in pain, and sister wives Robyn Brown needs to talk about the intense emotions linked with Garrison death. She should show the world that she cares about Cody exes and how their post-split lives are going. What do you think about this video? Please told on comment box. Also subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching this video.